Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Stuff. In today's video, as you can see, we have another Hermès mini haul. Anyway, if you guys are new to my channel, what are you waiting on? Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Come join the family. We talk about everything bag related, from contemporary all the way to luxury. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. And let's get into this unboxing. Okay everybody, so I just wanted to do this quick little haul that I got from Hermès. I did order one thing, I went to go pick it up, and then I picked up another thing. So I'm trying to stay out of Hermès for a little bit, because it's like every time I go I see something that I love, something that I want to pick up. I don't know, I just love the aesthetic of this brand. So without any further ado, let's get into this quick unboxings. So we got 1, 2, and my receipts. Okay, so the very first item we're gonna unbox is this right here. So this was an item that I actually ordered because it wasn't in store. Like my SS said, this is always sold out, so they never really have it in store. So I decided to order this with her the last time that I was in Hermès. I decided to pick this up. So without any further ado, let's get into this quick unboxing. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is what I picked up, as you can see right here. So this is what it is, and they just have the booklet and everything on how to care for it and stuff like that. So I wanted to pick this beauty up just because I needed a jewelry. I'm gonna actually be using this as my jewelry tray at my for my home office. One thing that I've realized is that a lot of times now is that I take my jewelry off and I put it on top of my work desk. So I need something like this to put the jewelry on while they're on my work desk. I do have a jewelry box / jewelry stand in my closet, but I need something for my my office, because I noticed that, like I stated, I'm always taking out my jewelry and I'm putting it on top of my whatever is on my desk, and I don't like that. So I decided to pick up this beautiful tray right here. I just thought it was so pretty. There was another one that my essay showed me. It was like a little bit more like square, but it felt like if I put anything in there, it's going to fall off. So I was like, oh no, I do not want to do that. So she did recommend this one because as you can see, it has the little edges, so stuff will not fall off, and I just think it's so beautiful. They did have like another design that was in store, but I really love this gold mosaic type of tile. I think it's just so beautiful. I don't know if the light is doing it justice. I love how it's like, it has like a little sparkleness to it. I guess it's just when the light hit the different gray, how it just looks so good. And my essay actually even have one of these as well. She said that's where she put her jewelry on top of. So that's what I was going to use. That's what that's what I'm going to use this for. I'm not using it for, like, you know, a tray, like for dining room table or anything like that. I'm just using it for my jewelry. So this is the very first piece that I did order, and when it came in, I went to go pick it up. So let's get to the next one. So when I went to go pick that up, I think, was it last week or week after last, when I went to the Hermès store, I did tell my essay about this item right here. I thought it was so beautiful. I did see it on the website. So I told her when this order came in, I will actually pick this up at the same time, because I didn't want to pick it up before. And then that day she was very busy, so I didn't really want to you know, hold her up her time or anything like that. So I was just like, okay, well, once that order come in, like I stated, I'm going to pick this up. So when I went yesterday, I did remind her, like, hey, listen, this stuff, do you guys still have it in stock? So she was able to pull it up and I was able to try it on. So 3, 2, 1. So it's this beautiful ring right here. See if you guys can see it. I just think this is so beautiful, as you can see right here. All right, let me take it out. So this is intended, this is the finger that I want to wear it on. this is what it would look like. I am getting into my Hermès like my silver phases. I don't know why I really love silver now, so because of that, so I'm just pulling it up so I can give you guys the name of the name of this beautiful ring right here. So this is says, what is it called? It's spelled ECHAPPEE ring. I don't want to pronounce it incorrectly, so I'll put the name on the screen as well. So that's the name of the ring, and this is in the MM size, as you can see right here. I think this is so beautiful. It's thick too, and the thing that I love about it, you see how it look raised on here? Because this is going to be next to my ring finger, so I felt like I wanted this. They had another one that was in the it had like a chain right here. I think like the chain was right here, but I felt like that was going to be too bulky for what I wanted to use it for. I think that one is pretty when it's stacked alone without like additional ring or anything, but this one, I wanted to get this one because you guys know my wedding ring and band usually go on here, and then I also have like the fern done chain ring, which I usually wear here, but now I've been interchanging it with my my Cartier love ring. I just think it's so pretty when you have the silver against the gold background. So I think this is so beautiful. So I did try this one on, as you can see. Let me see if I can focus it. So I did try this one, and then I tried the one with the ring with the chain, but that one, like I stated, it was too bulky for my hands, and I felt like it was like doing too much. So this you can interchange, as you can see right here. I can wear it on this finger as well, and I love the fact that it's raised right here, and it looks so pretty with my fun done bracelet that you guys know, the Hermès one that I got. If you turn it on the other side, the way you buckle it up, this is what it gives. That's why I really wanted this ring. So when I saw it online, I really liked it. So I was telling my ex, I was like, hey, listen, I really like that ring. Like this, as you can see, this finger is always kind of a little bit bigger, like this hand, and compared to this hand. So this, it won't go all the way, but you know, you can like kind of do it like this if you just want like a half ring, because I've seen people wear a ring that's like just like this, and then they put it level wise. But I did ask, I was like, hey, do you guys have it? She said, yeah, we'll have it, but I wanted to make sure that they have my size. And the crazy part is that this was the only size that was left, in my size or whatever. This was the only one that was left. Like she told me, she said this is also another popular item for their store. It's always sold out. So that's why I was like really excited that she had it in stock, because I was like, oh my god, this is going to go so perfect with my the silver that I've actually inquired this past couple of months at Hermès. I think this will be so pretty. I think this is just a great addition. When I tried it on with like my wedding ring, it looks so beautiful. And on this side, as you can see, let me see, is this the side? You see how when I wear it this way, depending on the way you wear it, you see how it look raised right here? So this is what it's given. Like this side is flat, and then this side is a little bit raised, just because that's where the wire goes into to kind of create this ring. So you can wear it in different aspects. So it's raised on this side, and if I take it off and put it this other way, you see how it's flat on this side right here, and then it's raised on this side. So that's basically what it looked like on my hand. The way I'm probably going to be wearing it is I want the raised side to kind of be on here, because if my wedding band is going to be right here, I don't want this to actually go on here, on this side, because I feel like it's gonna kind of affect like my wedding and anything. Hold on, let me get my wedding ring so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. Hold on. And I'm back. So this is what I was trying to talk about on here, because I want you guys to see exactly how I plan on wearing it, if I am when I'm going to be wearing it. So you see, this is my wedding ring right here. So this is the reason why I said I don't want this raised side to be on here, because I feel like it's going to, kind of interfere with my wedding band. So I feel like I want it like this. So this is how I was looking at it. But another way also is that I actually was looking at it like this way as well. So like that. This is how I'm 99% of the time going to wear it, and just find like a really skinny, I don't know, I feel like I'm in my ring era right now, where I want like stuff that is substantial but also look very, very beautiful on the hand. So this one I'll probably just find like a little skinny band to go on here, but I feel like this is so beautiful. There's another Hermès ring that I'm looking at. It's one of their wedding band that's in silver, that has, it's kind of look like it has an H in the middle. I probably might get that for this finger, because I feel like this one is so chunky already, so it needs to be on its whole hand. So this is what I was thinking. This is how I'm probably going to be wearing it. I just think this is so beautiful, especially when I wear my bracelet. It's just gonna go so perfect with it. So this was the little unboxing. I just wanted to show you guys what I picked up this time when I went to Hermès. And like I said, I need to stay out of Hermès, because I feel like every time I go into Hermès, it's something that I want to pick up, because they're just so beautiful. So anyway guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.